Ria. Are you ready?
Not yet. I'm still choosing what to wear.
Again? You always take so long.
I know, but I want to look nice today.
You already look nice. Just pick something.
Maybe this blue dress?
Yes, that looks cute. Wear that.
Okay, fine. Give me 2 minutes to change. How do I look? Is it okay?
Perfect. Simple, fresh, and pretty.
Thanks. What about you? You're wearing the same t-shirt again.
It's comfy. And it works with everything.
Wait, let me fix your t-shirt.
Oh wow, thank you, Miss Fashion Expert.
So, what's the plan? Where are we going first?
I thought, maybe lunch first. I'm super hungry.
Already? It's just 11 a.m.
I skipped breakfast.
That sounds like a you problem.
Fine. Shopping first, then lunch?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
You're still getting ready?
Almost. I just need to fix my hair.
Your hair looks the same since morning.
No, it looks messy.
It looks totally fine.
Girls understand hair. You don't.
New lipstick?
Yes, my sister gave it to me.
Oh wow, pretty shade.
Thanks. Okay, I'm done.
Finally. Let's move.
Wait, where are my keys?
Not again. You always lose them.
I don't lose them. I just misplace them creatively.
Same thing.
Help me find them.
Ugh, okay.
Found them. Under your bag.
Oh, thank God. Let's go.
Do you have your wallet?
Yes. Do you have your phone?
Yup.
Do you have your attitude?
Always.
The weather looks nice today.
Yes, perfect for going out.
Cab or walk to the bus stop?
Let's walk. I want some fresh air.
Good. I need exercise.
You need a lot more than this walk.
Wow. Rude.
Relax, I'm joking.
What do you want to buy today?
A new handbag and maybe shoes.
So basically, we're living inside one shop for 3 hours.
Stop complaining. Shopping is fun.
For you.
And for you, food is fun. After shopping, we eat.
Deal. You know, it's been a long time since we went out together.
Yeah, life is so busy.
I'm glad we're going today.
Same. It feels nice spending time with a good friend.
Always.
All right, let's go. Our day starts now.
Yes. Let's make it a fun one.